When you install SI5.5 Professional from our CD versus our download, the splash screen looks slightly different here. One thing that's common to all of our splash screens is this view the installation guide link. We highly recommend that you click that and follow along step by step with our online documentation. Now, if your CD did not start for you automatically, by the way, you can always browse the CD and then just double click this install.hta file. If you're not showing file extensions on your machine, it'll simply say install, and that will open up the splash screen. So after you've opened up the guide here, you can also install Microsoft Visio 2007 on this machine. It's optional. If you don't plan to use Visio, you don't have to do this, or if you've already had Visio installed, you can skip that. The next is just to install System Integrator 5.5. Now you're going to want to be on the machine that you want to be your SI5.5 server. This express install link here will install both the server and the client components. Now, if you want to install additional clients, we have this link down here for the client install. You can, of course, after you've installed your server, you can go around to other machines and install clients. Now, there's really no need to do that, though, to move this disk around, because as soon as you create users, additional users inside of SI5.5, they're going to be sent an email with a link to download the latest install. And what I mean by that, the latest client install. So let's go ahead and do the express install, which once again is going to install both the SI5.5 server and client components on this machine. If the install wizard determines that your machine is missing any prerequisites, they will be downloaded and installed automatically for you. After that step, this screen will open. This machine already had the prereqs installed, so I'm just going to click next. This is the default location where we recommend installing SI5.5 to. We highly recommend you leave that the same path. Choosing next, you need to accept our license agreement after you have read it. Go ahead and choose next. And then when you're ready, just go ahead and click install. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice that you have two icons here on your desktop. One to access the SI5.5 server administration console, where you can set up groups and users and set their permissions for use within the client. And then down here is the SI5.5 client. I'm going to go ahead and click finish on this screen now. We're not quite done yet. You're going to want to go ahead and just click OK on this next screen. And we highly recommend you don't make any modifications to this at all. Definitely don't click cancel. Just click OK. And what's going to open now is the SI5.5 server configuration wizard. And you're going to have two options on this configuration wizard. You can do an express config or a custom config. We highly recommend you do the express config, which will install, configure the SI5.5 server with all of our defaults. Custom would be for advanced users who want to make modifications to some of the default locations. Again, don't recommend it. In this video, we're going to show the express configuration because it's quite simple. You click this and you can see that everything is selected for you. This tells you your server name, the port, all of your folders that will be used. And really all you have to do is hit next here, and SQL 2005 Express will begin installing, and after that our server components will configure, and you'll be done installing and configuring SI5.5.